Welcome to the My Parish Council Clerk Training configuration. Let's get ourselves logged in and browse down to the site configuration in the menu. I've pre-selected Parish Config, and this is where we start setting some of the basics for the site that you're deploying. Obviously you enter the parish name as the first thing, the background image that will be used as the background for all the pages, the document approver email, which is used when we wish to approve a document in the minutes approval loop and things like that, the telephone number that will be used on the website and is displayed at the top of the home page, the logo image related to the parish itself. It can just be a word if necessary. As you can send emails, or the system can send emails out, we include a email head image. You'll need to know the latitude and longitude of your parish, the centre of your parish, so that the weather and map will center correctly. You'll need the parish boundary data. If you don't have it yourself, please contact us and we'll provide it for you for your parish. And then you can set the zoom level of the map itself. And finally, enter the Google Analytics code so that that can be used across all pages, and you can see who's visiting from where and when and how many and things of that nature. Once you've entered all that, or what you know of that, press publish, and that will start to take effect on the website. Next, the contact form emails. GDPR compliance requires you to respond to all sorts of requests, and you may have different, or you may have the same person dealing with those requests, whether they are general inquiries, request details, deletion requests, and just alternate details at alternate format download request type details. Next we go to content config. Here we're really making two things available. If you're not going to supply an image for a news article, it needs one, so it will default to using the one you load in here, and the same with events. And this is to make sure that the display of the events and the news sections is done correctly. It needs an image, and if you don't supply one, it will use these two instead. The social media configuration is where you may have some, you may have none. If you have some, just enter the URL for that particular Facebook page or LinkedIn page or Twitter page, etc., i.e. the link to take you to the online version of your social media interaction. If you leave it blank, then the icon that represents that particular social media channel will disappear. And finally, we can look at the styling configuration. There's what's called base styling, and the base styling allows you to change some of things like the link colors, background colors, heading colors, etc. within the system. And finally, you can select style sheets. You can list the style sheets and you can add style sheets. If you have some expertise and you want to amend a particular font size or make some particular override of the existing cascading style sheet that we've provided, you can make your own style sheet, load it into the media library, and then go ahead and have that positioned. If we quickly look, I did load one into this particular system. I've given it, you can have multiple style sheets, I've given it a position so it renders first, and then essentially I've provided it by just uploading it to the system and then linking through here. For instance, if I delete this existing one and then I go to the CSS folder, grab the one that I want, press OK, and publish. And that's it for the site configuration. Thank you for listening.